You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to check if your iPhone has been hacked. First, look for unusual signs like rapid battery drain, overheating when idle, or sudden spikes in data usage. Check your device's storage for unknown apps. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, and review the app list. Next, review your login locations. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Devices. Review all listed devices and locations. If you see an unknown device, tap it and select Remove from Account. Check for unfamiliar call or text forwarding. Dial 06 to get your IMEI number and compare it to the one on your phone's box. A mismatch is a red flag. Monitor for strange pop-ups, apps crashing frequently, or settings changing on their own. Ensure Find My iPhone is still enabled in your Apple ID settings. Run a security scan with a trusted app like Malwarebytes from the App Store. Update your iOS to the latest version, as updates patch security vulnerabilities. As a final precaution, change your Apple ID password and enable two-factor authentication. If you strongly suspect a hack, back up your data and perform a factory reset via Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. For more simple iPhone security tutorials, subscribe to the channel.